Congratulations on reaching so far into series. Let's go over the ears to make them cute and beautiful for this female character. What I'm gonna do first is make them much smaller, change the shape. I'm actually gonna mask and make it go a bit more closer to the jaw. Okay, I'm gonna add a bit more mesh to the side because it looks like the part of the ears is too much separated from the jaw. Can actually hide press hate to make for more facets and hide more things to make it a bit easier for your PC. I find it actually helps lower the lag. As you see, a lot of the shapes from our earlier era is now gone, but as well as we can add much more because we have a lot more of vertices. So first, what I like to do is shape again from this part. As I told before, we're going over it again because that's what the best artists do. Being persistent and not giving up. Don't be too much afraid on how you have this one separated because it can be very a lot of varieties on how you actually want to do them. Do the separation. Okay. Don't forget the back of there as well. What I usually do, we have a pretty decent shape of the ear as well. I'm just carving in. So we have that inner part look, as well as carving the other part of the bump. And this way having a relatively good shape of the ear already. Okay, don't forget to keep saving up your project. Another thing might look weird is some of the views. but I think it has quite nice flow. Maybe it has a bit too small cheek on the side. At this point, it's just going for preference, and the more you're gonna sculpt, the different preference you're gonna get, and your preference gonna be a bit more clear and more correct on how you put in the shapes. Let's not forget to shape the bottom. And I'm just gonna finish up with the neck. You will see that a small change even to nose changes how everything looks. So without changing too much, I'm just gonna leave it at this, and that's it. Now, I see a lot of people representing their sculpts in a very bad way. I'm just adding one light, one simple, let's say sun, because sun I get is the easiest to control. Let's go into render mode. They add more light so the face is visible. And this is probably how 99% of the beginners head sculpts look like, which you're not helping your head at all. What I like to start, it's getting a nice HDDRs. You can download and install them. I like this one a lot. I can add some strength. Can use scene lights, add blur, some opacity. I think the rotation is decent. Don't be afraid to add some of the properties of the rendering, add a high contrast, and probably can add some subsurface, but better not. The head's usually never a good look. Try getting a good matcap and can actually make it a bit lighter, I believe. Some people don't know how to render from the view. Pretty simple, you can go to view and import render image, and you're gonna get a little bit better results. But okay guys, I think that's it for the tutorial. Thank you very much for watching this. If you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask, but it's gonna be it. Well, first, I guess congratulations for finishing, and see you next time.